right, we have some news just coming in. Prime Minister Modi is taking part in Cyclone Yaas review meeting in Bhubaneswar. Let's go take a look straight. In fact, we'll get you details and pictures of that story in a bit from now. But remember, the Prime Minister is undertaking an aerial survey in the worst affected districts, after which is going to be holding review meetings also. And this is going to be in Odisha as well as West Bengal, where he is undertaking aerial survey in just some time from now. But right now, a review meeting that's taking place in Bhubaneswar. Prime Minister has arrived. You can see in these pictures also Naveen Patnaik, the Chief Minister of Odisha, with him. Indrajit Kundu has more details on that story. Indrajit, important review meetings by the Prime Minister to assess the kind of damage that has been seen in these two different states of the country, isn't it?
Well, that's right, Sneha. The Prime Minister has just landed at the Biju Patnaik Airport in Bhubaneswar, and he has been received by Odisha Governor Ganeshi Lal, and of course Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik was also present there. He will hold a very crucial review meeting there, following which he will conduct an aerial survey. In fact, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is also accompanying the Prime Minister in his visit to Odisha right now. Remember, Odisha, of course, bore the worst effect of Cyclone Yaas as the cyclone, made a landfall in Odisha. And the Prime Minister, of course, making his first pit stop at Odisha, following which he will be coming to West Bengal, where he will be holding a separate review meeting. So at this point in time, the Prime Minister has reached the Biju Patnaik Airport. He has been received by the Governor and the Chief Minister, and he will be holding a review meeting very soon in Bhubaneswar.
All right, Indrajit, apart from that also, there has been some politics around this issue as well, with the West Bengal Chief Minister raising concerns as far as West Bengal is concerned. The manner in which Suvendu Adhikari, the leader of opposition, she says, has been invited for the aerial survey, that's not something that was required.
Well, that's right. What we are hearing at this point in time from sources is that West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has expressed her displeasure over the invitation that has been sent to Subhendu Adhikari, who is the MLA from Nandigram, from East Midnapur district. East Midnapur, of course, here in West Bengal bore the worst brunt of Cyclone Yaas. And that information, of course, has been communicated to the Prime Minister's office late last night, is what we are being told by sources. So there seems to be some amount of confusion on whether or not Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will attend this meeting. However, the time, of course, is reserved from 2:30 to 3:30 is when the Prime Minister is supposed to hold the meeting with West Bengal Chief Minister. This will, of course, be the first time that both these leaders are coming face to face physically. Of course, there have been several meetings that has taken place in recent past as far as COVID management is concerned, but Mamata Banerjee, of course, had skipped those meetings. This is the first time that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, after being sworn in for the third time as Chief Minister, will be coming face to face here in West Bengal after the very high voltage and quite vitriolic election campaign that in a sense we saw here in the state just a few weeks back, when the elections finally ended and the results were announced on May 2nd. So May 2nd is when the election results were announced. Mamata Banerjee was eventually sworn in on May 5th. And today, of course, Mamata Banerjee will be coming face to face with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in this review meeting of Cyclone Yaas that's going to be taking place later this afternoon.
All right, Indrajit, thanks for getting us up to speed with that.